Hi there, my name's Stuart Reed. I'm Executive Director of Community Foundation Grey Bruce. In these challenging times, everyone needs to find ways to connect with nature. Being outside in the landscape is essential to our own well-being, and now more than ever, the outdoors are a great place to come together to meet and work alongside family or friends. Nature is nurture. In Grey Bruce, we enjoy a bounty of beautiful natural settings, gorgeous countryside, national and provincial parks, thousands of kilometers of coastline and beaches, escarpment walks, waterfalls, and so much more. Your Community Foundation supports many local environmental projects that build a healthy and resilient community for all. Consider a donation today to preserve and protect our natural bounty and to connect more people with the healing powers of nature. Visit communityfoundationgraybruce.com to learn more. Remember, we're here for good.